Are you ready for an unforgettable adventure? Look no further. In this video, we're taking you to the stunning Acadia National Park, where you'll discover the 5 absolute best things to do. From towering peaks to beautiful coastlines, this park has it all. So grab your hiking boots, your camera, and your sense of wonder as we explore Acadia National Park. We're gonna check out Thunder Hole. Jet's gonna love it. I think it's where the water rushes into like a big like cavernous rock formation. I'm gonna read one of the signs and let you know further, but that's what it is. Oh, Jet, here we go! Thunder Hole is a natural wonder that never fails to captivate visitors. As waves crash into a narrow inlet, they create a thunderous roar that resonates through the surrounding cliffs. This mesmerizing display of nature's force and beauty, set against the rugged Maine coastline, leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it.
It's downhill, a big water.
Yep.
Little one.
Right here. It goes in the cave.
In a cave.
And then it whoosh. And what sound does it make?
Waterfall.
What sound does it make when it comes out? Boom.
Right? Sound like a big thunder?
Yeah.
Today we're gonna hike some carriage roads at the Jordan Pond, from the Jordan Pond house. You ready, bud?
Yeah, ready?
Jordan Pond Path.
GoPro Hero.
Jordan Pond in Acadia National Park is a tranquil gem nestled in the park's breathtaking landscapes. With its crystal clear waters reflecting the iconic Bubble Mountains, it's a picture-perfect spot for both relaxation and outdoor adventure. Visitors can leisurely stroll along the scenic path encircling the pond. Bubble Rock is a unique geological feature situated on South Bubble Mountain. This large rock, transported during the Ice Age, appears precariously balanced near the mountain's edge. But despite its appearance, the rock is well balanced. Accessible via the Bubble Rock Trail, the site offers stunning views of Jordan Pond and the surrounding landscape. I just want everybody to know that Jet made it to the top of the mountain. He's at Bubble Rock. What do you have to say for yourself?
The big giant mountain.
Yeah. Pretty incredible, huh, bud?
Yeah. Jeez.
Cadillac Mountain stands as the crown jewel of Acadia National Park. It is the highest peak along the North Atlantic coast, and it's the first place in the United States to greet the morning sun. It offers a spectacular sunrise experience that is second to none. But you're going to have to get up really early if you want to see it, as parking fills up quickly. Cadillac Mountain is the very first place in the continental United States that sees the sunrise every morning. That's kind of cool. We're going to maybe attempt it, but chances are not likely that we get up. I think the sunrise is at like 4:54 I saw. Oh, that means we have to be up and out of the camper by like 4 a.m.
No, wait.
Good morning. Walking over to do the Beehive Trail, and I was going to go to the bathroom, but I don't know if you can see behind me, there's about, no joke, 25 people getting ready to do this trail. So I boogied on. I don't want to be behind them. I don't want to be anywhere near them, actually. So here we go. The Beehive Trail is an exhilarating adventure for outdoor enthusiasts. This trail, renowned for its steep grade and thrilling iron rungs, offers hikers an adrenaline-pumping experience. Scaling the Beehive leads to breathtaking views of Sand Beach and the coast. No doubt this hike is definitely a challenge. Rated as difficult. Agreed. Sand Beach is a coastal oasis nestled between rugged cliffs and evergreen forests. This unique slice of golden sand offers a serene escape, allowing visitors to relax by the Atlantic Ocean while surrounded by the park's dramatic scenery. Sand Beach on the Park Loop Road. It's a nice little cutout. Reminds me of home. I mean, minus the gorgeous cliffs and rocks.
And the really blue,
and trees.
Clean water.
Oh, and blue clean water. But other than that, the sand makes me think of home. If you want to check out more of our videos from when we were at Acadia National Park, check out our RVing New England playlist here. And we hope to see you one day on the road.